Here's a tour of a tent at Ngare Serian camp, which is located in the Mara North Conservancy, which is adjacent to the Masai Mara Reserve. So we're coming around the back. And the first thing you see is a tripod with my camera. No, you'll see many hippo right in front, but we'll come back to it later. Here's a side entrance of the tent. So we'll come around. It's the bed. With our stuff. With the bathroom on the outside, on the far end. You can see a tub on the deck. Shower right here. The loo right here. And the wash basin at the very end. So let's see what's in front of us to see. I think you probably heard that. Those are hippos, hippopotamus. See some big guys out there. Wow, it's one big dude. So a bunch of these guys can be seen right in front of our camp. And at night, supposedly, they come out of the water to graze on land, including grass near our tent. So this is Ngare Serian, the Mara North Conservancy, I don't know what is the right pronunciation. Anyways, over and out.